welcome back to the channel, my charge people. Yeah, it's quite annoying. Basically, someone's done a hit and run on the car, and yeah, on the next clip I'll show you the damage that they've caused, and then we'll basically take it off and try to sort it out proper. Also, while my dad was alive, he actually said the driver's side was damaged previously, and I was like, "No, Dad, that's how it is." And turns out he was actually right. That side is bonded on. So yeah, let's get going. Hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment, and yeah, let's try getting this fixed up proper. Fucked off, and yeah, they ain't got no fucking ripped it clean off, fucking scratched it up, broke the fucking bumper bracket. So just to drive it home, end up cable tying it on, because one of my colleagues was like, "Oh yeah, if I end up damaging the flipping radiator, it's going to be more problems." So yeah, show you the damage. So yeah, pretty sure that should be on there, or basically bonded onto here. So we need to fix that. End up flipping damaging my fog light. They did scratch the wing here. Brother polished that out. So yeah, this is where Dad was telling me about. I don't know if that's factory or not. Even that's bloody damaged or something. Bloody annoying. So yeah, let's see if we can get this sorted out. Right, let's just start off by removing this 8mm bolt down here. Right, now that's out, that comes out. Let's see. That should basically sit into position around here. So yeah, we need to do some repairing or something and get it mounted on properly. So looking at this, looks like all these clips are busted or something. So may remove the bumper iron and clip it properly. Right, let's get rid of this bonding, shall we? Which is pretty solid. Cheese. See how the mounting sits now. Lovely. Look at that. Now we just need to figure a way to get it to stay there. And I think I might know a way. Right, this side's just clipped into there and there. I believe, and I hope I'm right, it sits behind other than the lip on there. But for now, we're going to use Allen key and stuff to hold the bracket into place. Maybe put a little washer on the other side as well, for extra security, and it doesn't move while we do the repair. Right, here goes nothing. This stuff kind of dries up pretty quick, so yeah, you gotta get it done. Got me squares already cut up. Just add the hardener. Yeah, I think that's going to activate it quick time. Stir up. I haven't found out how to clean the brush yet, so it ends up going hard. Here's what it is. As long as it does what I need it to do. Right, that should be good. Hopefully, let's get this done. Right, here goes nothing. I'm just going to put some resin around here now. Ooh, it's messy. Boom. That's one in there. Let's just stick that bad boy in there. And yeah. Yeah, you can tell I haven't done this before. Well, I'm not the best at it, but yeah. Let's just try. Right, here it is. Looking all fucked up. But hopefully it stays in position now. Right, while the fiberglass is drying, I think it's time to get this bumper iron off, get it ready. So we'll undo that one and that one there, and yeah, that should potentially come off, and then we'll put that onto the bumper. Got my E12 Torx here. Let's see how easy. Oh, lovely. Just like that. One. Two. Okay, just like that. And then you've got the horns here, which you just disconnect. Job done. I think this goes onto the actual bumper. Right, let's get the bumper iron into place. And hopefully we can get it back in the car today. But we shall see anyway. That's it. It's all in place. Now, I think that's dry. But yeah, literally, hopefully get it back on the car now. And all's good. Right, let's plug this all back in. I couldn't actually find a bulb for that because it's mashed up. So, yeah. For now, let's just see if we're all good. We'll get lining up and everything. And, yeah. Hopefully jobs are good. That's it, it's all done, all boxed up, back together. So other than that, if you like this content, make sure you hit that like button, comment, share, subscribe, and stay charged for more. Cheers.